Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Start by parking on level ground, setting the parking brake, and turning off the engine. The GMC Terrain cabin air filter sits behind the glove box on most model years. Open the glove box, remove the limiting strap or stoppers, and let the glove box drop down to access the HVAC housing. Check your owner's manual and replace the filter every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, or sooner if you drive in dusty conditions. Carry a 10x8x 1-inch or manufacturer-specified replacement filter to ensure fit and filtration. With the glove box lowered, feel for the plastic cover or door that clips the filter in place and gently unclip it. Release the glove box stoppers and lower the glove box carefully. Inspect the cover for retaining clips or too small screws. Use a 10 mm socket to remove 2 fasteners if present, and keep parts organized. Slide out the dirty filter, noting the airflow arrow direction printed on the frame so you reinsert the new filter correctly. Inspect the filter housing and vacuum any leaves or debris with a handheld vacuum before installing the new filter. Unwrap the new filter and confirm the frame matches the old one, then insert the new filter with the airflow arrow pointing toward the cabin and away from the engine. Reinstall the plastic cover, clips, or screws, and reattach any fasteners using a 10 mm socket only until snug. Do not over-tighten. Lift the glove box back into position and snap the stoppers or limiting strap back in place. Start the vehicle. Run the fan at medium speed to confirm airflow feels normal. Then record the installation date and next change at 12,000 to 15,000.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.